thinking of becoming a product manager or a project manager and you don't actually know where to start and how to begin. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 soft skills that you need to have if you want to become a project and a product manager, and some other tools you need to learn. Number 1, communication. If you know that you are great at communication, storytelling, and you know how to take your audience from zero level to that climax and bring them down, I think product management is actually be good for you. So you can consider that, because most product managers are great communicators. Because how can you become a product manager without being able to discuss with your audience or stakeholders and even share how the product works and to get their buy-in? So communication is a very strong skill for every product or project manager. Let's move on to number 2. Soft skill number 2, empathy. Your best product or your best feature will come from listening, active listening, and putting yourself in the position of the users. And that's how we do in product management. So empathy is very important and is a key. So if you have these skills or you want to become a great product manager, then I think you need to start learning of how you can be empathetic, putting yourself in position of someone else. So if someone is actually saying that, oh, I'm facing this challenge, I can't do this, I can't do that, before you pass in any judgment, put yourself in their position. Don't say because you are a tech bro or you're a tech sales, you know how to navigate through website or a solution. Think about people that don't have adequate knowledge as you do. So when you do that, you'll be able to feel the challenge, you'll be able to feel their pain, and with this, you'll be able to contribute positively to your features or improve your features so that it can easily address the major or the core challenge. Soft skill number 3, problem solving. Product is actually messy. You face bugs, scope creep, things are not working out, but your problem solving skills is actually speaking to the fact that in all those crises, you are still calm, you're able to handle situations without. So this another skill that you need to master as a product manager. Or if you know that you are this kind of person, I think you should consider product management as something you want to do. Problem solving is very important to you as a product or even a project manager. Your ability to look at issues and be able to solve those problems when there's crisis on a product can actually come in and make some peace. Soft skill number 4, prioritization. As a product or project manager, you have countless number of things you want to achieve. One stakeholder is dragging you, sales is dragging you, marketing is dragging you, HR team is dragging you to build solutions or features for them. Customers are also dragging you, right? So out of these multiple options or multiple features you need to build, the ability to prioritize makes you a great or a better product manager by understanding which features come first, which one are you building first, and which one are you building later. And you can actually adopt any of the prioritization framework to actually help you to prioritize. So maybe in the next video, I'll be sharing with you some prioritization framework that you can easily adopt to prioritize when you are in the midst of a lot of options. You need to focus and you need to prioritize and prioritize very well. If you know how to prioritize things, I think product management is for you. And as a product manager or newbie in product management, you need to know how to prioritize. Ranking things in the order of importance. You get it, right? Yeah, you get it. Number 5, soft skill, leadership. As a product manager, you won't always be the boss. That's the fact. Though our team members, the developers, the designers, the QAs, people we work together, they see us as boss. But most times, you won't always be the boss. But your ability to influence people's decision is a key thing for you when you don't actually lead, or when most times you don't actually have a defined say. So your leadership skills comes into play when you're able to influence the decision. When your team velocity is dropping and when the morale is low, it is your leadership skills will now help them to pick it from where they stop and push things, irrespective of the situation or the challenge your team may be actually facing currently. And the best way to lead is through trust, no title. Forget about they call you boss, drop the title and focus on the real work and get things going there. Yeah, so that's all about the soft skills you need to learn as a product manager. Soft skills you need to have them in your body, as in LFB in your body as a product manager. So let's go to the part 2 of this video, which talks about what are the technical or hard skills you need to have to become a good or a successful product manager or a successful project manager. Let's go. Number one, you need to learn any of these project management tools. Basically, the most popular one is Jira. Jira is the most popular one, and if you know Jira or you learn Jira or you know how to use Jira, it will actually help you to navigate through other project management tools like Trello, like Asana, like ClickUp, like Monday, and like Workstream. You just need to learn one. Solid knowledge of one will actually help you to navigate the others. And with Jira, you'll be able to manage your sprints, you'll be able to manage your tasks, you'll be able to manage your team very well, as how to assign tasks to your team, and how to ensure that your team is actually working based on the deliverables you need to work on. Apart from learning how to use Jira, I think you need to learn how to work with sprints, how to create sprints, how to write user stories, how to work in an agile environment, and how to manage backlogs. These are the major things you need to know while you're working with product or project management tools like Jira, ClickUp, Asana, Monday, or Workstream, or Trello. Number two, you need documentation tools. I mean, any tools that can actually help you to document, either Notion, Confluence, even your Google Doc actually do. I'm not actually advised to use offline documents because you need collaboration or input from your other team members. So that's why I don't actually advise offline tool. But any tool that actually support collaboration like Google Doc, your Notion, or your Conference actually be a good one for you. You use these tools to document your PRDs, and other things you need to actually document, your flows, your SOPs, and other things you need to document so that you can be aligned with your team and your stakeholders. Number three, though most people believe that this particular tool is mostly for product designers, but it's not for only product designers. You can also use it as a project or product manager, which is Figma. So it's a kind of collaboration tool. You can actually use Figma or Miro, that's Miro, and any collaboration tool or any whiteboard collaboration to actually do the job very well. So your ability to make use of this thing to actually create mockup, prototype, wireframe, design, more designs, it actually helps a lot. Let's align with your stakeholders, with your developers, and the like. So you need to learn how to use these particular tools. Number four, you need data analytics tools. Yes, you hear me right. And you can use Google Analytics, you can use Mistpanel. Based on the interaction of the users on your solution, you can use the data you collect from using those tools to now analyze how is your retention going, how is the cohort analysis going. You can use it for your funnel analysis, and you can use it to make some decision as far as the product is concerned. Then another thing you also need to learn as part of this analytics tool is probably consider any of these product analytics tools like Smartlook, Hotjar. This actually help you to know how users are actually interacting with your product. Another tool you need to know how to use is user journey mapping and brainstorming tool. You can actually use Figma for your user journey mapping, but you can use FigJam as well. So FigJam is a tool under Figma, right? And you can also use Miro to do your user journey mapping. And you can use Draw, just search draw.io on Google, you will see the tool I'm talking about. So you can actually use Draw to do your journey mapping and wireframing. These are the tools you need to master as a product manager, and you need to know how to use them effectively. I'm not actually a fan of tool over knowledge. You need to know how to do the groundwork so that using those tools can actually be easy for you. Mastering all these tools will actually make you a great product manager. But a great product manager is not only the person that can actually use all these tools, because you can easily learn them. But a great product manager is someone that has product sense and can actually build solid products indeed. I mean, product that actually resonate with users and solve the real problem. So learning these tools is very important, and doing your product work is actually very important. If you find this very interesting, can you subscribe, like, and share so that other people can get to know about this video? Thank you. Until next week, ciao ciao.